So ceiling's down there, mess on the floor, there is plasterboard everywhere, table's wrecked, water came all the way up to here, chair's mouldy, there is mould on the wall, but we're going to rip all this underlay out so that it gives the floor a better chance. And I do believe this wall, this wall is all soft as well, so that's got to come off as well. I believe that the radiator system's got no water in it because I tried to bleed a radiator upstairs and no air come out, only air come out of it, nothing else. I gather there's a burst pipe on that somewhere as well, but I haven't come across nothing yet.